Global warming is causing a lot of problems in our area. Due to the global warming, the glaciers are also melting like Himalaya. So let's start with the first group.
Okay, start.
Which is the
Yes.
first group?
This side? Okay, then we can start.
Loudly better.
Hello everyone, today my name is Abjot Singh. Today I am representing the model of global warming. So first today I am explaining the industrialization. The smoke coming out from the industries also pollute our air and also have holes in the atmospheric conditions. So now I am explaining of the melting of glaciers. There are the melting of glaciers from the Himalayas, etc. Now I am explaining of the deforestation. The cutting of different type of trees also pollute our air and they also produce a lack of oxygen, and the smoke coming out from the vehicles also pollute air and the different type of animals are died. Now the second.
About our model. Global warming is a term that everyone must care about. It is caused by the gradual rise.
Loud.
It is caused by
Loudly.
the gradual rise in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere. Global warming is caused by the deforestation and transportation. Global warming causes many different types of diseases. Melting of glacier is caused by the global warming. As the temperature is rising, the glaciers are melting and the melted water goes into the seas and river and level of seas and rivers rises. The animals are also dying due to the problem of global warming. So because of this, some international steps are also being taken to reduce global warming. The most significant one is Kyoto Protocol. The Kyoto Protocol was proclaimed in 1997, but it went into effect in 2005. It was ratified by 141 nations. Thanks, it was all about our model.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anurati Kaur. Today our group is going to represent two models of greenhouse effect and causes of global warming. Now the next member of the group is going to explain greenhouse effect.
Good morning, sir. Today my model is about the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a building with glass roof and glass windows with fans to stop the global warming. Global warming is mainly caused by the vehicle smoke and the smoke coming out from the factories and industrialization. The ways to stop global warming is by recycling and stopping the pollution. Now the next member is going to explain the causes of global warming.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today I am Anmol Kaur and I am going to explain the model on causes of global warming. The main cause of global warming is industrial processes. Industrial processes release many chemicals which contribute to global warming, and cutting of trees is increasing day by day. The trees take in carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen, which is very precious for us. But everyone is cutting trees day by day, so the volume of oxygen will reduce and there will be no more life on earth.
Thank you to all of you. We hope you learned something from our model. Thanks.
Good morning to everyone. I am going to explain about my model. My name is Salman Singh and I study in 7th grade. So I have explained in my model that the effect of global warming. Firstly, the glaciers melt and the villages around the glaciers get flooded. So
What is this?
effect
This
chimneys.
chimney. Okay.
So the global warming due to the industries that smoke and smoking of vehicles. Due to the effect of global warming, the animals die. Thank you. Now the fifth group is going to describe about the water.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Parth Dogra and I am going to explain about my model about global warming. The global warming is caused by greenhouse gases. The name of greenhouse gases are methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide. The carbon dioxide traps the solar energy and does not and causes global warming. Global warming due to the smoke of vehicles. There are so many holes in the ozone layer due to which the ultraviolet rays of the sun are directly coming on the earth and melting the glacier, which leads to the flood problems and the rise of the sea level. This is all about my topic. I hope that you will like it.
Global warming.
So we can reduce this global warming sir, by using CFL bulbs, by doing organic farming, by doing less use of fertilizers.
The sixth group is going to describe.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Tanikar. I'm from 7th class class. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my geography teacher who have given me a golden opportunity to do a wonderful project on the topic global warming. Today I will represent my global warming project. Global warming is caused due to the transport and vehicles. Large amount of vehicles such as cars, buses and scooters are used all over the world, which need fossil fuels to run. Burning fossil fuels affect us and our environment. Deforestation. Deforestation is the clearance of woodland and forest, which is either done for the wood or to make farms or houses. This can occur naturally and causes various problems. Due to the global warming, our temperature is increasing day by day with few degrees. As a result of this, glaciers in various regions are melting rapidly. Now my group partner will share some ways to reduce global warming.
Ways to reduce global warming are we should have to plant more and more trees that will give us oxygen and decrease the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. We should have to ride bicycle for short distances, due to which pollution will decrease in the atmosphere. We should have to use CFL's bulb that consumes less energy than the ordinary bulbs.
Good morning everyone. My name is Simran Kaur. Today I have represented my model about global warming. Heat cause global warming, which leads to cause melt of glaciers of the mountains, forestation, missing temperature, death of animals. The factory leaves the carbon dioxide that polluted our air, that causes of many diseases. The mountain of glaciers are also melted by global warming. Thanks.
Fifth group is going to describe about their model.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to explain about our model. It is based on environment pollution and global warming. Due to smoke coming out from chimneys of factories, it pollutes the air, and due to these asthma is causing and other diseases are causing. The polluted water coming from factories also pollute the water of water bodies, and it also produce various diseases for animals and human beings. The polluted water coming out from water bodies also pollute the soil. Due to these, the soil is getting polluted, and it also affect the growth of plants, and these crops we eat, and this also affect us, and we get it is very harmful for us. Thank you.
Next group and the last group is going to describe.
Good morning, sir. This is my project on global warming. So, global warming is a process of getting Earth warmer due to the pollutants and the other gases. This is creating the Earth. This is creating the increasing of the temperature. The animals are also dying due to the global warming. We are cutting the trees that also cause the causing environment pollution. The cars are also polluting the air, and it is also causing the global warming. The factories dump out the smoke, and that also causes the global warming. We should plant more and more trees to decrease the global warming. Thank you.
My name is Tamrit Kaur. I'm the student of 7th class, and now I'm going to describe about my greenhouse effect model. Greenhouse effect. It is the process of heating up of the earth by the greenhouse gases which trap the heat of sun can cause different types of pollutions on the earth. The plants and animals get scared by the different types of pollutions on the earth. The harmful radiation absorbed by greenhouse gases can cause greenhouse effect, and the pollution absorbed by atmosphere and earth can cause different problems on the earth for human beings, animals and plants too. The cutting of trees and plants, forests, etc. can cause deforestation on the earth. I hope you like our model. Thank you. Model on the layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. We are going to talk about the last layer of atmosphere, exosphere. Exosphere is the last layer of atmosphere. This is the layer in which satellite exists, and it is the layer, and its length is 1000 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers. It is the last layer of atmosphere.
My name is Kiran. I study in 7th class. Today I am explaining about the layers of atmosphere. 5 layers of atmosphere. First layer is troposphere. Second layer is troposphere. Second layer is stratosphere. Third layer is mesosphere. Fourth layer is thermosphere. Today I will explain about thermosphere. It is the 4th layer of the atmosphere. It extends from mesosphere to it extends from exosphere to mesosphere. Its height is 600 to 90 kilometers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today my name is Tegan Reddy. My topic is layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. First is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third is mesosphere, fourth is thermosphere, and fifth is exosphere. We can speak about troposphere. Its degree Celsius is 50 to 56 point Celsius. It is 0 to minus 18 kilometer. It is near stratosphere. My name is Manipur. I am from 7th class. Today I will speak about layers of atmosphere. First layer is troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, and first layer is the troposphere. In the troposphere, its height is 0 to minus 18 kilometer. Its temperature is 15 to 56 5 Celsius. Thank you.
My name is Srinivas. I am in 7th class. Today I will discuss about the layers of atmosphere. First layer is troposphere, second layer is stratosphere, third layer is mesosphere, fourth layer is thermosphere, and fifth layer is exosphere. Today I am discussing about the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer of atmosphere. Its temperature is 56 to 25 degrees Celsius. Its height is 11 to 50 kilometers.
Today I am going to explain the importance of the atmosphere. There are the 5 layers that surround the atmosphere. Atmosphere protects us from the ultraviolet rays from the sun. Atmosphere protects us from the falling of the debris from the space. Communication is possible due to the atmosphere.
What is the height of this thermosphere?
About 690 kilometers.
690 kilometers. Okay. Next.
Today I am going to explain the atmosphere and system. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere. First layer is troposphere. This is the lowest and coldest layer of the atmosphere. It is about 8 km to 18 km. aeroplane and water balloon are found in this layer. This is from sea level to ozone layer, and this its temperature decreases as its height increases. This layer.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mithun, and today we will discuss about the first layer of the atmosphere. First layer of the atmosphere is troposphere, and its height is to 8 kilometer to 18 kilometer, and it is the lowest and the densest layer of the earth. And it,
Good morning, all of you. My name is Lucy. Today I am explaining the model of atmosphere. The first layer of atmosphere is troposphere. Its height is from the surface is 80 kilometer. Its temperature increase with the increase with the height. The air release exists in this layer.
Yes.
My name is Abhijot Singh. I am from Charlotte class. There are five layers in atmosphere. I will tell mesosphere. Mesosphere is the second layer of third layer of the earth. Mesosphere height is 18 kilometer above from the earth. It is temperature decrease in height. Thank you for giving me.
There are five layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, and thermosphere. Thermosphere has like the clouds. The thermosphere height is 450 kilometer. The thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Pratham Grover, class 7 Lily. Today I am here to represent a model of troposphere. The first group will represent the model.
Good morning to all of you. I am going to explain on lithosphere. Litho means stone. Lithosphere is the outer covering part of the earth. The uppermost part of the is called mantle. It is the coldest.
Continue.
It is the coldest and very rigid part of the earth. It includes plants, animals, houses, buildings, etc. It also includes the sun and stones and the animals. It includes the lithosphere has all types of land masses, big and small, ever all types of buildings like mountains, stones, etc. These height of these land masses are measured by the sea level. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to all of you. Today I explain I will explain atmosphere. The air that cover our earth is called atmosphere. In atmosphere, many birds and aeroplanes will fly. In atmosphere, there are five layers: troposphere, atmosphere, troposphere, exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, exosphere. In the layer of gases surrounding our earth also called atmosphere. So next group will explain
Good morning to all of you. We are discussing about the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the watery part of the earth. Hydrosphere contains the waters. The hydrosphere is important for our life. Without hydrosphere, our life is not possible. hydrosphere is contact with the land's lithospheres. The hydrosphere is important for human beings. The hydrosphere contains the rivers, ponds, lakes. Now the fourth group.
The word biosphere is derived from a Greek word which means bios, and it means life layer. Biosphere is very essential for us to live because it helps in our survival and it also provides ecosystem. And the three main components are also present in biosphere, which are land, air and water. They are also known as lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. The biosphere is made up of biotic and abiotic environment, and all the plants and animal kingdom are present in biosphere.
We are going to explain about atmosphere. Atmosphere is a layer of gases. There are 5 layers in atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer. In this layer, atmosphere temperature decreases with the height. Exosphere is the highest layer. Communication is possible due to atmosphere. Atmosphere protect us from ultraviolet rays of sun. Now next group explain their project.
Hydrosphere is the watery part of the earth. Hydrosphere is the watery part of the earth. In hydrosphere, many of aquatic animals live together. Without hydrosphere, we can't live because we need water to live. Now next group explain their topic.
Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere composed of all the water and lakes, ponds, rivers, and also includes the seas and their aquatic lives. The hydrosphere, our 75% of our Earth is covered with hydrosphere. So now the next group discuss. The landly part of Earth is called lithosphere. Lithosphere include all type of land masses like plains, mountains, etc. The lithosphere have 3 parts. The uppermost part of lithosphere is called mantle, crust, and core. It also include all type of land masses. The land masses can be measured by the sea level. It include all type of land masses which can be measured by sea level also.
Includes mountains, valleys and plains. It is divided into tectonic platelets. It is lithosphere is also